Queensland Property is making real estate history by being put on the market for 100 Bitcoin. Say the use of digital currency could be the way of the future. This type of property is rarely seen on the market. It includes a Queenslander-style house on a 32-hectare property surrounded by lush World Heritage listed rainforest. It even comes with its own waterfall. But there's something else that makes it special. Owner Rod Overall is accepting Bitcoin.
I think it's the future of currency and transactions, and definitely with real estate. So giving it a go.
And it soared in value. 6 months ago, 100 Bitcoin was worth $100,000. Now it's worth $1.3 million. Selling agent Cheyenne Morrison says it's also opened up a new market of potential buyers.
Bitcoin's gone up so dramatically in value, there's probably people out there that maybe couldn't afford it before, but if they pay with the Bitcoin that they've got, they can afford it.
So if you've got some digital currency lying around, why not buy yourself a slice of paradise?
Isn't this a sign of the times? Joining us now is selling agent Cheyenne Morrison and the owner of the property, Rod Overall. Good morning to you, gents. Now, Cheyenne, this was your idea. For non-financial nerds like me, Bitcoin, what is it and why do you think accepting it is a good move on a house?
Yeah, good morning. Bitcoin's a digital currency. LJ Hooker Cairns South, our agency, was the first real estate agent in Queensland to offer a property for Bitcoin because we believe that digital's the future and Bitcoin's the digital gold standard, and we believe it in the short future it'll be a payment option for real estate transactions in Australia.
Yeah, sort of Bitcoin is the preferred currency of drug cartels and money launderers. So, yes, that's how it all started.
Oh.
Yes. But also, it is so volatile. There was one day a couple of weeks ago that it dropped by something like 20% overnight. So you could cop that while the property's on the market.
Well, at the moment, the 20% drop was when China announced that they were going to ban it, and then quietly 2 weeks later they unbanned it. So it went down 1,000, but it's gone up 5,000. So we believe that it's a pretty good bet at the moment.
Okay, Rod, at the moment, Rod, when you sell a house, you sort of trust your agent to know a little bit more about things than you do. Do you trust this? Are you happy with this Bitcoin situation?
You've got an account.
Yeah, I have a USI Bitcoin trading account currently, and it's doing quite